In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a Payoneer account. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or someone who just wants to streamline payments from international clients, Payoneer offers a great solution to manage your finances across borders. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your preferred web browser and do a quick search for Sign Up Payoneer Account. Once you arrive at the search results, click on the official Payoneer sign up link. Payoneer is a trusted financial services company, so rest assured that your information will be handled securely throughout this process. When you land on the sign up page, you'll see a bright Get Started button. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to a page where you need to specify the purpose for your account. If you're an individual freelancer, click on Freelance Individual. This choice will help tailor the account to meet your specific needs, whether it's receiving payments from your freelancing platform or directly from clients. Next, it's important to choose the right type of account based on your business needs. Payoneer offers several account types, so select the one that best aligns with your requirements. Once you're satisfied with your choice, click on Register Now to begin the registration process. The registration form will ask you to fill out some necessary information. This includes your personal details, such as your name, address, and email, as well as specifics about your business. Double check your entries for accuracy before proceeding, as incorrect information could delay the process. After completing the initial details, continue by providing additional information as prompted. You'll need to verify your identity, which helps Payoneer ensure the security of your account. This step might require you to upload a government-issued ID or another form of identification. Additionally, you'll be asked to provide your bank information, which is crucial for linking your Payoneer account to your preferred financial institution. This connection allows you to seamlessly transfer funds from your Payoneer account to your bank account, making transactions smoother and more efficient. Once everything is set up, the final step is to wait for approval from Payoneer. This usually doesn't take long, but it may vary depending on the volume of applications they're handling. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation and any additional instructions you might need to follow. And that's it. After receiving the approval, you'll have full access to the services and features of your newly created Payoneer account. Now you can receive international payments with ease, manage your finances more efficiently, and focus on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.